Do you solemnly and sincerely declare and affirm?
Then I became a witness for myself. I had to tell my side of the story, but I had to do it in the same way as the other witnesses. So before court, I'd gone over a series of points that I wanted to cover so I wouldn't forget. If I had a lawyer, the lawyer would be asking me these questions. Things like, tell us what happened. This is called the examination in chief. But because I was representing myself, the magistrate asked me the questions instead.
Miss Duncan, can you please tell the court your full name, address and occupation?
My name is Anna Elizabeth Duncan. I live at 29 Main Street, Blacktown. I am a sales representative.
Miss Duncan, the prosecutor has presented her case to the charge against you of driving whilst using a mobile phone. Now it's your chance to present your defence. So please tell us what happened on the 2nd of April 2013.
Well, I had just picked up my daughter from TAFE near Ryde Road, and I was taking her home when the police pulled me over near the corner of Campbell Street. This was my chance to tell the court what had actually happened. I had to make sure I told the court everything I wanted to without getting distracted by my emotions. I was glad I'd gone over the details of my case before court so I wouldn't miss anything. The officer asked me if that was my phone, and he was pointing to my mobile phone that was in the console of the car, which is where I keep it. I was not on the phone, and I told him that, and that I was scratching my right ear.
Thank you, Miss Duncan. Sergeant, any questions for Miss Duncan?
Yes, Your Honour. When you were scratching your ear, Miss Duncan, which hand did you use?
I think it was my right hand. The lawyer I spoke to at Law Access told me the prosecution would get a chance to question me, just like I got a chance to question the police officer about his evidence. This process is called cross-examination.
Yes.
It's always a stressful part of the hearing, the cross-examination, but the trick is to listen carefully to the questions, to remain calm and to tell the truth. That way you won't get confused.
So you normally use your right hand to hold your phone, Miss Duncan?
I wasn't talking on the phone.
Answer the question, please, Miss Duncan.
Sorry, could you repeat the question?
Do you normally use your right hand to hold the phone, Miss Duncan?
Yes, I do.
I have no further questions, Your Honour.
Miss Duncan, normally at this stage, if you had a lawyer, your lawyer would be able to ask you some questions to clarify the answers that you gave in cross-examination. This is called re-examination. Do you want to say anything else about the answers that you've just given to the prosecution?
Yes, Your Honour. I normally keep the phone in the car console where I can see it. I can't think of anything else, Your Honour.
Very well, you're excused. Okay, I'm going to adjourn the court for a morning tea break. We will reconvene in half an hour.
All rise.